What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in some of the previous videos I showed you a lot of tactics, a lot of ways to promote something, whether it was surveys, engagement, different apps, different tools. And a lot of you have been asking for traffic sources. Okay, where do you promote the offer? Where do you get the traffic? How do you get the traffic? What's the best way to get traffic? And so in this video I'm going to be showing you not one but two really good traffic sources for your ClickBank affiliate marketing campaigns. And it doesn't just have to be ClickBank. It could be pretty much anything. It could be any kind of affiliate marketing offer. And we're going to get more into that during the video. But I'm going to be focusing on ClickBank. And you can take that knowledge and go out and use the same method in order to promote pretty much any other offer. And so what you're looking at is the real screen here. I can refresh it so that you see it is 100% real. So as you can see, I know people are going to be asking. So just so you know. All right, so the first thing you want to go to is you want to go to cbengine.com and you want to start looking at different offers. You want to familiarize yourself, okay? Because what you have to be thinking about is it's all about the offer here and the traffic here. They have to match. The traffic and the offer, they have to go hand in hand. They have to match. And so what I want to do is I can go to new products. I can go to best gains. I can also go to top gravity. Okay, so I went to top gravity and I'm looking at offers that are hot, right? There's a lot of people promoting them. There's a lot of people making money. There's a lot of movement. It's like a hot stock. There's a lot of volume. Okay, if you're familiar with the stock market, you have volume, right? The number of trades that are happening. Same thing with this. I look at gravity as a popularity metric. And so if you go in here, we have sorted by gravity in descending order, okay? And you can do that. You can sort by rank if you want, and this is top gravity. We can go to all kinds of different ways of finding products. And I like CB Engine better than ClickBank's marketplace because it gives you a lot of data, a lot of interesting things. And so right away, you want to be thinking in terms of niches, okay? And so we have keto diet, which is a health niche. We have research the Godzilla of offers. That's not really self-explanatory. Maybe it's kind of a make money online type of offer. It's not really clear. Then we have flat belly tonic, which is another health offer, right? Fitness offer, diabetes freedom, okay? That's really self-explanatory. And we have a lot of these other offers. Now, when I'm looking at offers, you want to be thinking about the following. You want to understand that offers typically fall into roughly two categories. The first category is these general offers, okay? And so this includes health offers, make money online offers, relationship offers, self-improvement, things like that. Because these offers affect the majority of the population, okay? If you think about a country, you think about the people living in the country or state or a city. Most people, they would be interested in making more money. Most people, they would be interested in being healthier, right? Becoming more fit. More people maybe they want to fix their relationship problems. That's why these are general offers. The second type of category of offers is the offers that are niche offers, okay? And this is like sports, something specific like Ted's woodworking is woodworking. It's a very, very specific niche. Me personally, I know nothing about woodworking. I have no interest in woodworking, but I know there's a lot of people that do have a lot of interest in woodworking. And so this is what I call a niche offer, right? Politics is also kind of a niche offer, right? Because, well, maybe this one is more of a general offer, okay? But you have a lot of these offers, right? The Lost Book of Remedies, this is more of a general offer. Brain training for dogs, I would say this is a niche offer, okay? I don't have any pets, so I wouldn't be interested in it. But some people might have dogs, other people might have cats or something. So this is more of a niche offer. I would not say pets is kind of a general offer. So you kind of have to use your best judgment. And you have to understand what kind of niche you want to promote, okay? And so there's a lot of interesting offers. Now, if you're not sure what kind of offer you want to promote, you can start at the other side of the equation. You could look at what kind of traffic. You could look at the traffic and seeing what kind of things people are interested in, and then find an offer that matches to them. And so I'm going to show you a really good traffic source, and this is called BuySellAds, okay? You can just go to BuySellAds.com. They have a marketplace. You can just create an account and you will be able to see the marketplace. So you can just scroll down. I think they're going to have a link for a marketplace. So you could just go to this link that I have here. I don't think it requires an account login, or you can create a free account. It's no problem at all. And so once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different sites, okay? These are sites, different sites. And what I'm looking at right now is crypto, okay? We have Bitcoin, we have CoinGecko, Coin Ranking. And when you are at BuySellAds, you're going to be looking at two types of sites. The first is going to be a general type of offer. And so what I mean by that, it's going to be something like contact form, okay? This is a WordPress plugin, or you're going to have color scheme generator. It's kind of a site that, you know, kind of advertises everything. It gets a lot of kind of general traffic, okay? So another idea is, so WordPress is very specific. And the second type of site you're going to see is more specific. So for instance, you have digging into WordPress, right? These are people that are interested in design, programming. You have a blog about programming, right? Another programming kind of thing. You have, you know, something more specific, because you're going to see sites here that are, you know, just regular sites. They have statistics or something like that. It's very hard to match. And so if a site is very general, it's going to be cheaper to advertise. The more general the traffic, the cheaper the ad rates are going to be. The more specific the traffic, especially if it's in an area where, you know, make money online, health, the more expensive it's going to be, okay? So obviously Bitcoin, if they have very high quality Bitcoin traffic, it's going to be more expensive. And so let's say we're looking at, let's say contact form 7. Let's take a look at this one. And we're going to open it up and we're going to see what are our options, okay? This is paid traffic. We are going to see our options. So right now, you know, the available inventory here is $150. It's 125 by 125. It's a banner ad, right? It's a banner creative, and you can buy this. If you go to some of the other sites, like let's say CoinGecko or something like this, let's open that up. Let's take a look what they have there, what kind of inventory they have. And so CoinGecko has a little bit, you know, slightly different type of inventory. They have a leaderboard. They have a medium rectangle. They have a mobile leaderboard, okay? And they have something called CPM. So this is $8 CPM, $8 CPM, $8 CPM. And so what CPM means is cost per milli, or cost per 1,000. And that's how much you're expected to pay whenever your ad is shown 1,000 times. So if my ad is shown 1,000 times, I'm going to be charged $8, okay? So in this case, these are all the same CPM. So if my ad is shown 1,000 times, I'm going to be charged $8. If my ad is shown 500 times, I'm going to be charged $4, okay? So you always want to be comparing apples to apples, not apples to oranges. You always want to be doing CPM. So for instance, let's say I want to do 8 leaderboard. I pick this, I click the next, I go to the next step, and then I can see how much is going to cost depending on how many times they're going to be showing my ad. So I can fill out the screen. I can run the network. I can do it. I can enter my budget here. I can upload my creative assets. I can also do advanced targeting. Take a look at this one. So let's say we only want to target the United States. It's going to be a little bit extra, right? +3, but it's more targeted, right? Your ad is not going to be shown to people that may not be interested, right? This is higher quality traffic, right? And I probably would want to target United States, the UK. I will do UK. I will do United States. I will also maybe want to do Canada. I want to target the rich countries, right? I want to target countries where people have more disposable income. This is common sense. Or I can just run it on the network, okay? And I'm going to get $8 CPM. So I can enter my budget, how much I want to spend. And depending on my budget, like I said, let's say I enter 1,000, we estimate your ad will get 125,000 impressions at $8 CPM. So they're going to give you different, or I can enter another budget. Let's say I have a smaller budget and it's going to give me an estimate. So I can upload my creative and go from there. Just fill it out and it's going to go live and I'm going to start sending traffic. And this is really great. And you can do direct linking here. Although I highly recommend never to direct link. I recommend at least a landing page, or the best method is some of the tactics that I showed you in some of the previous videos. So you can go to yesterday's video. You can go to the previous videos. It's all different, very, very advanced tactics that you can learn and you can combine with this traffic source. So this is a really good example. This is website stats and valuation. This is an example of a site that has general traffic, right? It's not niche traffic, okay? And so it's $60 fixed, but if you go to the campaign setup, it's gonna tell you how much impressions you're gonna get for your $60, because the CPM should be a lot lower than if you're putting your ad on a site that has higher quality traffic, because a site like this, it's just statistics. It's gonna have all kinds of traffic. It's not gonna be very high quality. And the next thing you want to do is you want to always check the site. So you have the link to the site here. You have all the information there, and this is what the site looks like. And as you can see, this is a very simple site that has ads. They're just running ads, and they're not getting targeted traffic. So you have to keep this in mind, that if you want to promote a certain niche on ClickBank, it's not targeted. So your conversion is not going to be as high as compared to if you're promoting on a site that has very targeted traffic. The next thing you want to do is you want to take the site and you want to check if it's legit. So you want to head to a site like similarweb.com and you want to enter the site in there. So if I enter it, I can pick it here and I can actually see, does this site get a lot of traffic? And this site gets a lot of traffic. It got 5 million visits last month. Okay, so this site gets a ton of traffic. And we also see where is the traffic from. 21% from the US, 9% from China, 7.5% from India, Turkey, and Germany. And so that is why it's always a good idea to pay a little bit more if you can and get United States traffic, right? Because you do not want to be getting some of the traffic from China or something like that, because it's not going to convert as good as United States. Plus, you also need to be using a tracker. I recommend BMob. You're going to see a link to the video up above of my free tutorial where you can learn how to use BMob, their free plan, with ClickBank. And so you got to do your homework. You got to do your due diligence. And they have a lot of sites, right? So I'm going to go back to the directory. And we have a lot of sites. And you can go, so for instance, you can filter by category. You can do cryptocurrency. You can do finance, you can do sports. So if I go to sports, we have Cycling Fever, Football, The Spoken. This is bicycle. And then I can go back to ClickBank and I can take a look. Okay, do they have bicycle offers? So I can go here, for instance, I can go to this area here and I can do subcategories. So subcategories here, I can do sports, right? I can do sports and I can do search. And I can see what if there's, so I know there's a golf swing there, so there's a golf category. There's a basketball type offer for improving your basketball game, right? Basketball skills. There's all kinds of offers, so I can match it. Hockey offer, and I want to do offers, right? This is a draft dashboard. This is an offer here, and I want to take a look on the gravity, right? So here's some of the offers with higher gravity. We have VinCheck Pro. And if I'm not mistaken, this is actually a VIN is vehicle identification number. Yeah, run a VIN check on any vehicle instantly. And so I can promote this on an automotive site, right? So I can go back to the directory. I can go in here and I can go to automotive. And now I have car sites, right? So I can promote that offer here. And if we go back to VinCheck Pro, gravity is 15. So it's not super high. It's also not super low. And we have billing type is recurring, right? And we're going to be getting 75% of commission. And so there's so many options that you can do. It's really up to you, right? So many things that you can do. You can do automotive. You can do finance. You can do education. There's a lot of programming stuff that I see here. A lot of designer stuff. A lot of Bitcoin you can match. And so that's the first traffic source. And I also promise you I'm going to show you a second traffic source. And the second traffic source is called adclerks.com. And this is very, very similar to BuySellAds. And so it's always a good idea to compare the two, to track the traffic and see where you're getting the best conversions using like a BMob tracker. And I'm not an affiliate for BMob or anything like that. They just have a really generous free plan that you can use and you can get started with. Check out my video up above. And so you have kind of the same thing. You can buy ads, you can learn more. And then you can sort by click-through rate. You could sort by categories, affiliate, SEO. So let's say we want to do sports and travel. I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to have different sites here. And take a look at this one. We have $1 per 1,000 impressions. So this is $1 CPM, $1.25 CPM, $1 CPM, $10 per month, $40 per month. This is really cheaper, right? We have sports and travel, a blog. We're gonna get 1,000 impressions, and it's gonna cost us $10 per month. So if we're gonna get 1,000 impressions, that's $10 CPM, right? Because we're paying $10 for 1,000 impressions. Always convert it to CPM, right? You don't want to compare per month if you're getting less, right? You always want to be comparing CPM to CPM, okay? You don't want to be comparing CPM to per month or per week or anything like that. So here is 50 per month, 1.3 thousand impressions, okay? So you got to do the math there. And so you want to pick a site. So let's say we want to do Mr. Abroad, okay? So we're going to click on the site. And we're going to go in here. Is a travel site providing helpful travel guides, tips, and reviews. The site currently has 3,000 monthly views, mostly from the USA, and 25 to 35 male visitors, okay? And so let's go and see. Here's an Alexa rank. They have Twitter followers. They even have ad stats, okay? So they're telling us they're getting high quality traffic, 82% from the United States. That's awesome, actually. And so we're going to go in here to similar web. We're going to type it in. We're going to type it in here, see if it's there. Some sites are not there. So there it is. So this site, not enough data. So it's not telling us. It doesn't have enough data. The other site that you can go to is you can go to alexa.com, and you can check different sites on alexa.com. So if you scroll down, you can browse sites, or you can enter a site here, and you can click find, and you'll be able to get some data on the site. And the thing about Alexa is the ranking is going to be relative, okay? So it's currently ranked at 3.2 million, which is quite a lot, like 3.2 million. Anything above a million, it's not going to be getting a lot of traffic. And so I don't know how much traffic the site is getting, but I probably, it's only $10 per 30 days. It says less than 1,000 impressions. So you're probably not going to get a lot of it. And it has the Alexa rank here. This is actually valid. If we scroll down, 3.2 million. Yeah, 3.2 million. So this looks like it's getting it from Alexa. And so you can compare the numbers. You can match the offers. And then you can head over to BMob, create your free account, watch the tutorial, and see how you can send the traffic. Now, I do recommend that you use some kind of a method where you are not directly linking to the offer, not direct linking, okay? Because it's never going to convert really good. You want to be using the method, and so you can watch yesterday's video. I have a lot of videos on different methods, so I recommend that. And so take a look at BuySellAds. Take a look at also at this one, at Clerks. You can have a look here as well. They have a lot of interesting things. They have a lot of different offers. And so you can browse around. Here's a crypto site. They got a lot of traffic, and if you can match it to the right offer, you're going to be getting conversions because you're going to be tying it correctly. But always track your traffic. All right, guys. So this is the traffic sources. And so these are the traffic sources I wanted to show you in this video. A lot of people have been asking me and really, requesting some traffic sources. So here you go. These are 2 traffic sources. If you want to see more traffic sources, leave a comment below, like this video, and let me know that you want to see more traffic sources, and I'm going to be making a video. Let me know if you want to see paid or free. So leave a comment. Just leave the word paid or free, or you can even say both. Just say both, and that way I will know that you're interested in both kinds of traffic sources, regardless if it's free or paid. All right, guys, so I really hope you've gotten value here. Just like I said, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know what kind of videos you want to see more. Do you want to see more of this? Let me know below. Like this video just to show your appreciation. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.